Recording a lecture. CarmenZoom allows instructors and students to record lectures, interviews, and presentations from their desktops or other personal devices. These recordings can be stored for 180 days in the Zoom cloud and distributed to students through a shareable link. PowerPoint lectures and other types of presentations can be recorded via CarmenZoom's screen share function. CarmenZoom is available to all Ohio State faculty, students, and staff members. It can be installed on university-owned or personally owned computers. Let's walk through recording a Zoom meeting. Once your meeting has started, click Record at the bottom of the Zoom window. You can record your meeting locally to your computer or to the cloud. We strongly suggest recording to the cloud. Meetings recorded to the cloud are auto-transcripted, can be trimmed, and then easily shared with a link. When you are done recording, click on Stop Recording at the bottom of the Zoom window. If your meeting is also done, go ahead and click End Meeting. Your recording will now be encoded and processed. Please be patient. The processing can take hours. We advise recording at least a day in advance of when you need to share.